What do you think of this hike?
It's gonna be amazing, Navi. When they say that after a hard time, there were good views to look for.
Oh, that's the spirit. Don't worry about the ambulance ride back to the hospital. So, what do you think of the Red Rock Canyon excursion?
Oh, it's a walk, actually. It's only 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer? It's worth the walk?
It is. Look at the view. And look at the falls.
It really is. So, would you recommend it people to come here?
Yeah, you should come and enjoy walking.
Yeah, don't forget to bring a little bit of water.
Yeah, we do have water here. I put it in my pouch, in my jacket.
Yeah, some water. And walking sticks. Those will help you too, if you're a novice, like us to...
Not adventurer type
Yeah.
person.
No,
Yeah, but we're taking risks. That's the thing.
we're taking risks every day.
Every day.